Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HyperX NGENUITY not detecting the headset in 2026. So to begin with, HyperX NGENUITY only detects the supported devices which are connected via USB. So detection issues usually come from the connection type, drivers or software problems. So the very first thing that you need to do here is to make sure that your headset is connected using USB or wireless dongle. If you are using the 3.5 mm jack, NGENUITY will not detect it at all. So this is the most common mistake. So you need to unplug your headset or dongle and then you need to plug it into the different USB port, preferably a rear port, and avoid using any kind of USB hubs or extensions. Now you need to also close your NGENUITY completely and reopen it. If it still doesn't detect your device, you can also simply restart your PC. Restarting is also going to refresh the device detection. Now you can open Microsoft Store and here you can search for HyperX NGENUITY. When you are here on this particular page, you just have to look for any kind of updates. If you see the updates, simply click on them in order to update your software. If you need it, you can also uninstall it and reinstall. This also fixes most of the software related issues. Now you need to also refresh the drivers. For that, you just have to right click on the start icon, then click on the option of device manager. Over here you just have to expand the option of sound, video and game controllers. Over here you just have to right click your headset and click on the option of uninstall device. Then you just have to reconnect it to reinstall the drivers automatically. So you can try all of these fixes one by one and see if the issue is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.